The big mama is here. This is the 2021 12.9-inch M1 iPad Pro. What's up, YouTube? It's your boy, BMAC. And if this is your first time here to this channel, welcome. Thanks for stopping by. Make sure you smash that subscribe button with all notifications turned on so that you never miss another video on this channel. And if you've been here before or if you're already subscribed, welcome back. So yes, I do have this massive 12.9-inch 2021 iPad Pro. Just came out with the M1 chip. I'm excited. So I don't even have to do these intros anymore. New product, we gotta unbox it. 2021 12.9-inch M1 iPad Pro. Say that one 10 times fast. Bet you can't. Maybe you can, I don't know, but here we go. Quick look at the box. You can see this is what the front of the iPad looks like. Cool little design. iPad Pro on one side, iPad Pro on the other side. Apple logo, and of course some more model information and serial number information on the back. But now, time to uncellophane the uncellophaning of the iPad Pro. Actually, let's turn it on its side. Ah, yes, better angle. The unboxing, let's just do it. You only get to do that once. Ooh. We'll take the cellophane and rip it off. Rip it off real quick. Put that off to the side. I'm getting more aggressive with my unboxings these days. Cellophane is gone. Now for the fun part. The 2021 12.9-inch M1 iPad Pro. Oh my goodness. It's like holding a sheet of glass with immense, unlimited power in your hands. We'll get to that in a second. Of course, do the whole cellophane thing, but you'll notice underneath the iPad Pro 2021 M1 12.9-inch. Are you getting the idea yet what model it is? Hopefully you get it. Underneath the iPad over here, designed by Apple in California, we have this little packet of information. Oh, with some goodies right there. We'll get to that in a second. But first, in here, we will take this out. You shall see. Is there anything else in there? Nope, I'm always deceived. Oh, almost forgot. Oh my gosh, that would have been actually detrimental. How come I can't, why am I having such difficult, what is going on? This is an important, there it is, okay. Yes, imagine I forgot those. Apple stickers. You do indeed get 2 Apple stickers also in this packet of information. The first thing is kind of just your quick start guide. Tells you how to use your iPad Pro on one side and of course on the other. As if I did not know by now, as if. We'll take that. Put it to the side. Also, you will see we got some safety and handling, battery charging information right here. You could read through that if you want. And let me just make sure. Yes, that's it in the packet of information. Underneath the packet of information, you do of course have your wall adapter. This is a 20-watt USB-C wall adapter with a little bit of cellophane that I can't say, okay, hold on, there we go. I was gonna say that I can't seem to un-cellophane, but we're good. And then of course your USB-C to USB-C cable, which you're gonna use, hopefully, rather often, to charge up your iPad Pro, if that's what you wanna do, hardwired like this, you know, using this. USB-C, 3-foot USB-C to USB-C cable. And that's it, that is all that comes in the box. We'll take this and drop it right down there, and then take this as well, put this over there, and here it is. Oh, so sexy, man. So you guys know I don't actually use the 12.9-inch iPad Pro on a daily basis. I'm more about that smaller life. Right here, my 11-inch baby. I don't know, I think this is a good size for my needs, so that's what I'm using. But looking at this, especially with this upgraded display, I might be in trouble. But let's take a look at it. We will uncellophane it. What's the best way to do this? Okay, we have a little flap right here, so we'll do it this way. The uncellophaning of the iPad Pro itself. Woo! Not gonna lie, I almost dropped it. That would not have been good. A little bit more. Shall we turn it over? We shall. There it is! Oh my gosh, so darn beautiful. Look at the way it glistens, man. Oh, I cannot wait any longer. I wanna see what this display looks like, so let's turn it on. Ooh, Mini LED in the house. You know, there have been a couple things of the past that I wish the iPad Pro had. For me, number one was a better display. I wanted those true blacks, that beautiful contrast ratio. And now with mini LED, I could already tell you, I'm in love. This is, take a breath. But this is gonna take a minute to set up. I don't wanna bore you with that, so here's the cool thing. You guys already know how this works. I got magic fingers, I'm gonna snap them. The setup's gonna be done. 3, 2, 1. Setup is done. And we are in, ooh! That mini LED M1 12.9-inch iPad Pro, my goodness, she's sexy. Right off the bat, a couple things that are gonna be key differences here in the 12.9-inch 2021 M1 iPad Pro. First things first, the display, like we already mentioned, mini LED, and that's giving us HDR plus a higher maximum brightness in terms of nits on this device. So that's exciting me. Right off the bat, I could put on my AirPods Max, spatial audio, watch some crazy awesome HDR movies. Loving that. But of course, we got the M1 chip built in. That's gonna be insanely powerful for everything I wanna get done on this thing. We've got more RAM, a Thunderbolt 4 USB-C port. We've got so much going on. And it feels and looks very similar to the iPad Pros we're used to. The camera housing in the back here, little different, much more like what we're seeing on the iPhone 12 Pro Max. Very similar. I already got a hair on it. And you can see a recurring theme here. Products are starting to look very similar. Apple's definitely trying to go for that continuity across all their devices. Visually, pretty much identical, but there's a lot obviously going on under the hood that's really making the difference. And the cameras have an upgrade too, so much to talk about. But that is the unboxing of the 12.9-inch 2021 iPad Pro. If you guys wanna see my review of this bad boy, of course, subscribe so that you don't miss that review video when it drops. And I'm thinking of doing some comparison videos too, some comparisons between this iPad, my other iPad, this between the new iMac, so many different things. So yes, subscribe so you don't miss them. But if you guys are interested in finding out more, or just to snag one of these puppies for yourself, a 12.9-inch mini LED iPad Pro with an M1 chip, you guys could always head to my affiliate link, bmac.link/2021 iPad Pro, bmac.link/2021 iPad Pro, or as always, there will be a clickable link in the video description box below as well, so check that out. And with that having been said, oh my gosh, I don't know what to do first. Should I put this thing through the ringer with some performance tests? Should I check out the display with an HDR movie? Should I just kiss it a million times because it's so pretty? That was weird. I don't know. I'm gonna decide, but I will see you guys in my next video. Oh my gosh, look how pretty. Look how pretty. My goodness, not me, the iPad. You probably didn't even think I was talking about me. The iPad Pro, pretty.